calling for human dignity, for patriotism, for devolution and sharing of power. But every day we see our leadership on the stage, they're announcing things that should best be left for cabinet secretaries. I don't know the release of this march to counties, the launch of this and that. So as a sector, we want to say that we are in solidarity with this struggle because we know what it stands for. And you must have seen our sector speak on a daily basis on some of these excesses. And we must hold to account those that will be found culpable and their commanders, including acts of omission, that when you fail to protect property, when you go harassing a former head of state, Man Stivo, you are here as a veteran diplomat, tell His Excellency President Ruto and the novices around him that harassing a former head of state has implications not just in the country, but in the region. That stability of this country is relied upon by neighboring countries like Somalia, like Sudan, South Sudan. They look to us to help them come out of their own self-inflicted troubles. And we cannot therefore afford, even for a moment, to allow political novices to throw insults at everybody and think that that is governance. Because our constitution demands of them to ensure that we are governed properly. Kenyans are easy to govern, but very difficult to rule. And that's why this leadership is in trouble. Because they are trying to rule us. We are beyond being ruled. We want to be governed. We must remain firm and demand good governance. Because that is the only thing that is provided for under our constitution. We must tell them, and we must begin to plan. Your Excellency, the former Prime Minister, I saw you being invited in a tweet, with all due respect, surely. Treat that tweet with the contempt it deserves. Because you stand for the cause of the majority of this country. We must not talk to these people, not over the blood of people that we have been shown here. And of course, when you talk, if you must, they say when you are eating with the devil, you must use a long spoon. Their blood is oozing with innocent blood of Kenyans that they have killed. You must never shake their hands because their hands are still dripping with guilt. And that's why everywhere they go, they defend themselves. Oh, the police did this. We must hold them to account. But what is more worrying to us as a sector is that there is a marauding group of police officers